Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the headset off and disconnecting all cables. This prevents shorts and saved settings from corrupting. Once done, remove facial interface and any detachable straps so you can access screws. Make sure to document screw locations with photos or labeled containers because sizes vary. Then position the headset on a soft mat to protect lenses and spread tools within reach. This quick prep saves time and damage. Now you're ready to remove the first visible screws carefully, taking steady, deliberate turns. Once the outer screws are out, gently pry the bezel using a plastic spudger. Work incrementally to release hidden clips without cracking plastic. After separation, unscrew internal fasteners in the documented sequence. Make sure each screw returns to its original labeled group. When you reach ribbon cables, lift the tiny retention tabs first, then slide cables out slowly. Tugging damages connectors. Pause to inspect foam seals and adhesive. Replace degraded pads. Move methodically, and you'll expose the board, sensors, and lenses safely for inspection or repair. To finish, reconnect all ribbons and connectors, making sure each retention tab snaps down. Test power and the display before fully closing the shell so troubleshooting is easier. Once tests pass, align the bezel and slowly refasten screws in reverse order, applying even, gentle torque. Over-tightening can strip plastic. Replace facial foam and straps. If the headset doesn't behave, try this key troubleshooting tip. Reseat any suspect ribbon cable and perform a firmware reset. Often loose connectors or software glitches are the real culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.